One of the great challenges for the private sector and the public sector is the nature of the demographic change that's coming our way. We need to focus to make sure that every child, every young person in this state succeed. The wealth of experience and the wealth of different backgrounds that people bring in a more diverse workforce can't be overestimated. I think the real opportunity here is to make sure that private economy sees Minnesota growing now and committed to growing in the future. I'm optimistic that we're going to see some strides in the next several years with diverse hiring and inclusive training environments for people.
Hennepin County Medical Center is proud to be a learning organization where we provide opportunities to all of the students that are in nursing programs. Cultural competence is extremely important for us for reasons of enhanced clinical care and patient satisfaction. We feel that it's a need for the healthcare industry, not just for Hennepin County Medical Center or Fairview or Abbott Northwestern. We can't do this alone. We can't operate on an island alone. We have to come together and be united to do what's best for our community.
Being intentional about how we can connect people to jobs and education opportunities is a real challenge our region faces. We need to start doing things a little bit differently in terms of being fiscally prudent as well as connecting the resources with where the need is in our region. I think that the political will is there. I think that the experiences that we've gained over the last number of years situate us well to meet some of those challenges. And while change can be scary and uncertain and cause people to be a little bit uncomfortable about the future, I'm optimistic about how we're going to make the most of those challenges in front of us.
If we look at the workforce that's coming up and the students that are coming, there just physically aren't enough of them. How can we let any one of them get away and not realize their potential, which benefits the businesses as well as that individual? The reason to be part of the Workforce Leadership Council is because it is setting the stage and making it easier to figure out what to do in the future. And by joining together and working collectively, we can be much more powerful than any one-off would be.
Identifying, growing, training and retaining talent is a collective endeavor of all of these institutions and entities. We are not training robots. We are training human beings who will be effective not only in their workplace, but also in their community life and in their approaches to citizenship.
We have the opportunity to be leaders in this area. We have the opportunity to walk the talk, if you will, and to both engage our business partners in creating the model, but also offering to them the opportunity to use the model. And I think that's government at its best. It makes the business case for people, but for the region as well. We can't afford to let a substantial part of our population not succeed. And to do that, we need to reach out to those folks who maybe historically have not had the opportunities that others have had, understand the barriers, and then work really hard to remove those barriers. And that's, I think, a major focus and a major opportunity of this program.